Hi guys, welcome to A&M Excursions. I'm the M, Misty. This is the A, Alex, and we are bringing you the Universal Yum Yum box today.
This is February 2019. This is a monthly box that sends you snacks from a different country each month. This month we have Italy.
And this is just a paper telling you kind of about different things that are in Italy, like towns like Venice, Turin, Florence, Rome, Naples, Sicily. It also says there's games on the back, there's games on the bottom of course, and then there's a little checklist on the top that lets you pick best, second best, worst, or weirdest snack. Now if you don't want to see what's in your box, do not turn this over because it tells you up top what your snacks are in the box. So to keep it a mystery, don't turn it over.
We're also going to be doing a review of this box in the next video using this checklist. So keep an eye out for that.
It also comes with a cute little booklet, and it comes with just kind of little things telling you about Italy. It also has more about the snacks inside the box, but I do not right now want to look at that because it's going to spoil it, and I don't want to spoil it. So when you open the box and you take both of those out, this is what you see is a bunch of, different little snacks. So we're going to go snack by snack and I'm going to go through the snacks, Alex will go through the book, so we can kind of tell you what each thing is. And we'll probably have to look around in the book for a little bit, so bear with us.
Yeah, no, nothing's in order.
Nothing's in order. The first thing I'm pulling out is Anello Gusto Pizza, Amica Snack Company. Looks like pizza flavored O-rings.
Yeah, pretty much corn snack, pizza flavored corn snack.
So it's kind of like our U.S. version of Funyuns, only pizza flavored. So there's those. The next thing I'm pulling out is by the same company, Amica Chips, Alfredo's potato chips, truffle flavored, gluten free. Looks like it's just regular old potato chips.
Yeah, potato chips with black truffles. A lot of interesting.
And then there is by a company called Laurieri Frolletti al Limone, which just means lemon cookies in English. So these are
those are the lemon pepper.
They are lemon pepper. What are they?
Flavored wheat snacks. Yeah.
Lemon pepper flavored sweet snacks. So they are in this little bag right here. I can't wait to try these. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out is Rooster Shell Rosemarino, and I think they're Rosemary Crackers or cookies.
Yeah, they are.
Rosemary Crackers?
Rosemary Crackers.
They're Rosemary Crackers. So I'm kind of interested and intrigued by that as well. Then we have crisp almond cookies by that Laurieri, same as the lemon cookie company. So that's what this one looks like. And they're just almond cookies. And then we're getting to the sweets part of it, more sweets. So there are 2 Tiramisu flavored little snack cakes by a company called Morietta. So you get 2 of those.
So those say chocolate covered cake with coffee and custard.
And you can see the custard there, but it's really hard to see from how far off I am. But it's right there. The next one, and you get 2 of these as well, is an orange carrot cake. And here's what those look like. They're just the same size as and you get 2. They're the same size as the little tiramisu cakes. And then we come to the really good chocolate by Coronero. Not sure if I said that right.
Yes, we're absolutely butchering the names.
I'm butchering the names, but that's okay. I'm not Italian. It's milk chocolate with hazelnut candy bar. So it's kind of like Nutella flavored, I'm assuming, is what it would taste like since it's chocolate with hazelnuts. Same company, the Reroll. This is actually Saffron white chocolate bar. And then it's just a big old large chocolate bar. And then you get this little pouch. I've already tore the pouch open to save time. And you get different little candies. So there is this Sorarini, and I believe it's little pieces of chocolate.
Hazelnut chocolate.
They're real big on hazelnut in this box, I believe. And then there's, you actually get 4 of those, and they're tiny. They're just little, kind of like Hershey bars from our America. And then you get these cappuccino flavored truffles, and you get 4 of those. They're really good about this candy. They give you 4 of each.
So those got cappuccino cream and cereal truffles.
So that's what that is. Just a traditional truffle.
Mm-hmm.
And then we have these little fizzies, they call them. And we've got 3 orange and 2 lemon. And what they are is you can actually put them in soda water, and it will flavor your soda water like sparkling water. So you just drop one in, and you can have lemon or orange flavored. And so those I thought were really neat, because I've never really seen anything like this in America. So they're quite interesting. So that is the end of the box. As Alex said, we will do another video later on, giving a review and filling out the back of this card, where it has the best, second best, worst, and weirdest. So we'll fill that out, and we'll do a video for you guys while we're doing that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.
See ya.